No, touching a baby bird won't make mom abandon it. You've probably heard it a million times, don't touch that baby bird. The mom will smell you and never come back. But, is that actually true? It's not. And today, we're busting that myth, once and for all. This myth has been around forever. The idea is that if a human touches a baby bird, the mother will smell the human scent and reject her chick. But here's the truth. Most birds have a terrible sense of smell. They rely way more on sight and sound, not scent. So even if you touch a chick, the mom won't notice your smell, and she won't abandon it. In fact, bird parents are super committed. They'll keep feeding, protecting, and caring for their chicks unless they're seriously disturbed or injured. The real reason to be careful? Because baby birds are delicate. And sometimes, well-meaning humans move them when they don't need help. So if you find a baby bird on the ground, here's what to do. Is it featherless or mostly bald? Gently place it back in the nest if you can see it. Is it fully feathered but hopping around? That's a fledgling, it's learning to fly. Its parents are usually nearby, keeping an eye out. If it's injured, cold, or near danger, like cats or roads, call a local wildlife rescue for advice. So no, touching a baby bird won't make its mom abandon it. That myth is just that, a myth. Bird moms don't care how their babies smell. They care that they're safe, and so should we. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more weird animal truths, busted myths, and fun wildlife facts every week.